Hi everyone, I'm Master Michael Giampietro, and today we're going to be learning how to throw the perfect front snap kick. We're going to start off today by executing our forward stance, left leg forward, front knee bent, back leg locked, bringing our hands up into a fist, and breaking our front snap kick into 2 steps. On number 1, we will bring our foot up to our knee, look at our target. On number 2, we will extend our foot out, loud kiap, and back down into our stance. It's important when we're doing the front snap kick that we lift our leg to the knee, snap out, back to the knee, and then back into our position. When you're throwing your front snap kick, it's important to try to keep your hands and upper body as still as possible as you kick. Back into your position. You don't want to lose balance or fumble over at all while you're kicking. All right, now get out there and practice.